Well, today is the day when the auction starts, and most likely what the chatter has been in the market is that there could be a tariff hike anywhere now around. The tariff hike is anywhere now around the corner, given the fact that auction has also started, and post that most likely we can see an announcement to come in. Now, why there will be another tariff hike? Because there has not been a single tariff hike in the last 2.5 years. The first tariff hike was taken back in December 2019. It was the biggest one, a hike of around 30 to 35%. Post that one was taken in 2021, up around 20 to 25%, and hence it has been 2.5 years. There has been inflation. Telecom companies has been continuously doing capital expenditure towards 5G. Their return ratios have been subpar, and telecom tariffs, despite the two hikes, continue to remain the lowest globally. And these are broadly major reasons why there needs to be another tariff hike for this sector. Now, if you see the past ARPU movements, what we have been seeing, ARPU is the average revenue per user, and that moves higher post there has been a tariff hike. So whenever tariff hikes have taken place, ARPUs immediately after the tariff hike has not improved, but eventually we have seen a significant improvement coming in the ARPUs. And recently, if you see the average revenue per users of these telecom companies, that is Reliance Jio, Vodafone Idea and Bharti Airtel, they have been improving on the back of the fact that they have been able to convert more of their 2G subscribers into 4G. So kind of organic improvement that we have seen when it comes to ARPU. Now, the past two tariff hikes, whom have they benefited the most? Well, what we can see is that it has benefited Airtel the most, because it has seen an ARPU increase of around 48% on the back of these two tariff hikes, followed by Jio, which has seen an ARPU increase of 39%, and Vodafone Idea has seen the lowest increase of just 22% because of the two tariff hikes. Now, why Vodafone Idea has seen the lowest increase? Because they have more 2G subscribers in the total subscriber base, and hence the tariff hike actually does not translate into an ARPU growth for the company. Also, despite the tariff hike, the company's revenue has been lower because the company has been continuously losing subscribers so far that we have seen since merger. Their subscriber base has nearly halved, and these are broadly the major reasons why Vodafone Idea has not been so far a major beneficiary of the tariff hikes that we have seen. But that could change going forward, given the fact that there has been a fundraise now for Vodafone Idea, and most likely what the street is now expecting is that there could be a tariff hike of around 15 to 20 odd percent.
You know, a tariff hike comes in, operating leverage kicks in, and I think everyone's been making a case that look, ARPUs in India are too low and they are not going to sustain. There was intense competition, then consolidation, and now frankly, if a tariff hike kicks in, I mean, Sumit just said the numbers that what kind of additional benefit that would make. Having said that, telecom stocks are at a multi-year high, whether it is Vodafone or Bharti Airtel. So I would imagine that somewhere large part of the market also knows that a tariff hike is coming. A 10 to 15% tariff hike is something which markets are looking forward to. The negative is that if nothing comes through and if you don't see the incremental jump in ARPUs, what everybody is expecting, then it really could be a pain point for telecom stocks per se. But I guess for tariff hike to kick in, I think it's long overdue. Everyone's made a case. The brutal competition is behind us, and now there seems to be consensus within the telecom players that all of them have to survive and customers will have to pay if they're using the service.